Heritage Mall tal-kumpanija Google Arts and Culture issieħbu fi proġett li se jippermetti li wirt storiku u kulturali f'Malta ikun aċċessibbli fuq app u fuq sit elettroniku. Bekk il-kunċett ta' storja interattiva se jibda jsir parti mill-kultura tagħna bl-isem From the Neolithic to the Future. Bil-Mużew tal-Arkeoloġija ikun l-ewwel sit disponibbli online. Fil-preżenza tal-Ministru Owen Bonnici, waħda mid-diretturi ta' Google Arts and Culture, Giorgia Abeltino, qalet li bħalissa l-kumpanija għandha mal-1000 imsieħeb mal-app. Heritage Malta ikun l-iktar wieħed riċenti.
I have always loved Malta, so I was also very happy of doing this project because I think that the cultural heritage that you have here is just amazing. The experience that we had as Google working here has been fantastic, and because as I was said, we decided to do something, we planned together with the local institution to make it happen, and then it happened.
Waqt it-tnedija tal-app intqal li din se tagħti opportunità biex dak li jkun jara dettalji li fiżikament meta jkun fil-mużew ma jistax jara, bħal pereżempju firem moħbija f'xi pittura li wieħed jista' jara biss permezz ta' zoom fuq il-mobile. U allura staqsejna jekk persuna diġà rat li kellha tara permezz tal-app, il-mużew innifsu se jbagħti min nuqqas ta' viżitaturi.
Now data shows that the museums or the cultural institutions that are online, that are on Google Arts and Culture, receive more people, receive more tourists. And why? This is very easy. Because if you discover something online and something that is beautiful, that is captivating, then you want to go there and see it. It's like when you say that it stimulates appetite. If you just have a bite or something that is very good, then you want to eat it.
Il-Ministru Owen Bonnici qal li dan huwa biss l-ewwel minn sensiela ta' inizjattivi li l-Gvern se jagħmel ma' Google Arts and Culture biex il-wirt Malti ikun espost tal-iktar persuni fid-dinja diġitali. Fakkar li l-wirt storiku u kulturali huwa kunċett b'saħħtu u importanti għal Malta. Tant li f'dawn l-4 snin, Gvern Laburista ta' lura 85 wirt storiku lura lil pubbliku bħal Forti Santirmu u li poġġew f'Ħalsa Flieni.